Internal Revenue Service IRS Tax News. Taxpayers will soon be able to file amended tax returns electronically. IRS Tax Tip 2020-69, June 11, 2020. Later this summer, for the first time, taxpayers will be able to file their Form 1040X amended U.S. individual income tax return electronically. There's a link to the 1040X here. This is really good news for tax preparers because in the past, there are times when you need the amended tax return, the 1040X. It comes up fairly often. And before this, we had to file it basically with a paper return, which takes a lot more time. It's a lot more time consuming to do. So it's actually really exciting news that they're going to have the 1040X as something that can be available to file electronically back to the text. Making this form electronically fileable has been a long-time goal for the IRS. I would think it should be. It will greatly benefit the tax professional community and taxpayers. Yes, it will. Back to the text. The new electronic option will allow the IRS to receive amended returns faster while minimizing errors normally associated with manually completing the form. It will also provide the IRS with more complete and accurate data to help support customer service representatives answer taxpayer questions. When the electronic filing option becomes available, taxpayers will only be able to amend tax year 2019 Forms 1040 and 1040SR returns electronically. So basically 2019 is when they're going to have the cutoff. So you'll be able to hopefully amend 2019 and then pushing forward from that point back to the text. In general, taxpayers will still have the option to submit a paper version of Form 1040X and should follow the instructions for preparing and submitting the paper form. So in other words, anything other than 2019, prior to 2019, most likely could still, if you have to do a 1040X, would have to do the old process, the old paper process. Back to the text. Whether an amended return is filed electronically or manually, taxpayers can still use Where's My Amended Return, there's a link to that here, online tool to check the status of their amended return.